What's up, guys? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. This is my very first video. I appreciate you all for being here with me today. It didn't come out. Oh well, whatever. My name is Ken Astro. Today we're going to be reacting to Birds of Prey. Now, the only reason why I say it that way is because I saw the first trailer and I was really let down by it, and I was like, this just looks like another Harley Quinn movie, whatever. Don't get me wrong, I love Margot Robbie. I think she's like the epitome of Harley Quinn. I think she's played Harley Quinn fantastically. She carried Suicide Squad, even though Suicide Squad was a nasty ass movie. But she did her part. So it is kind of exciting to see her kind of reprise this role. Now, I haven't seen this second trailer yet. It looks like this dropped here recently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
Same.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one. Ah, shit, I told this all wrong. Quick history lesson. This all started when the Joker and I broke up. It was completely mutual. And soon enough,
I like the way it looks. Good visuals.
ready to embrace the fierce goddess within. It's so quiet. Now that I cut ties,
How can people eat cheese
I'm
like
about
that?
to learn that a lot of people
Disgusting.
want me dead. All alone. And at the top of that list is this guy.
Black Mask, I'm assuming.
But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Nice drop kick.
After all of us, you can't just rob him. You betrayed him. You killed his BFF. But you are so cool.
Oh, I love her little mallet.
Enough to be building a case against him. So unless we all want to die very unpleasant death, we're gonna have to work together. Sure.
Psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for.
Yeah. Are we ready?
I feel like Harley Quinn is just like a mood. Like, she's an eternal mood. Like, you can match her whatever she's doing.
Oh shit! Is that a hyena in a bathroom?
I named him Bruce after that Ricky Wayne guy.
Nice. Oh shit. Okay, she has hyenas. Alright, that was pretty dope. I like that. I definitely did like that. I liked that they had the hyena. Like, you can't have Harley Quinn without her hyenas. Like, that's pretty dope. And the fact she named him Bruce, I thought that was pretty cool too. Alright. I think I might go see this. I think it might be good. I may have to wait for a few more trailers to drop, a little bit more, visuals and everything, but second trailer definitely did better than the first one. I'm here for it. Thank you so much for watching with me, you guys. That was my reaction to the Birds of Prey second trailer. Think I might go check that out. I really might check that out. But make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the like button, comment, share. Give me a comment on some things that you want me to react to next. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.